guys, welcome back to another George and Sam video. This week we are doing something completely different. We are at Heritance Aarah and we decided to give you guys a room tour of one of the biggest villas they have here called the Ocean Residence. So we are also vlogging the whole experience, what we will be doing here at Heritance Aarah. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's go inside. So first up, welcome to the outside area here at the Ocean Residence. It's absolutely incredible. You'll see there's a beautiful pool behind me that stretches all along. You have a beautiful view of the ocean, so it's just incredible. So you'll see there are several lounging chairs. There's two, and then from there you can literally go into the water and do snorkeling. They do provide all the gear here, so it's just amazing. And then here you have a nice seating area which you can enjoy your coffee, and then my favorite of course is this lounge chair. You can enjoy your drinks. You can even put your drinks on this little table, so just absolutely incredible. Let's go inside. So welcome to the inside of this beautiful ocean residence. So first up we have the living area. Here you find several couches scattered all along, and my personal favorite part is this little window you find here. You can watch the fish, you can see the reef. It's just absolutely incredible. So this is also where we entered into the villa, but let me show you the other side. Then on this side you'll find the TV. We don't know who watches TV in the Maldives, but this can be perfect for a family who wants to do a movie night. They can just relax here and then watch a movie. Next up, dining area. So this is the dining area. You'll see there are several chairs around this table. This villa is actually a 2-bedroom villa with the speciality they do also have a separate nanny room. And you can also add another bed which will make it a villa for 6, or you can add a bed for kids which will also make it a villa for 6. The nice thing is the speciality that you can order in villa dining and you can enjoy it with your family right here in your residence. It's just so beautiful. Who would want to leave? So next up, I really want to show you guys the nanny room. It's just absolutely insane that you can get a room separate for your nanny. So this way. So this is the nanny area. You'll see here is a bed, there's a chair in the corner, and the nice thing is that the nanny will also get a separate bathroom which is just right here. So let's go to the other side of the villa. Next up we have the pantry area. So this is an area where you'll find all your drinks, coffee, everything you need is inside. And this is also a separate door where your butler will come in and he'll make you some drinks, he'll serve you coffee, whatever you need, you can just let him know. So let me show you what you can get here, which is all inclusive in your package when you book with the Ocean Residence. So you'll find different kind of spirits, gin, vodka, whiskey, and then you have your coffee station with your Nespresso pods. And then my favorite part of this pantry is all the wines that's included. It's more wines than you get with the other villas. And then the fridge. So this is where you get beers and juices and all those things are in here. So let me show you guys one of the bedrooms, which is downstairs. Let's go. Welcome to the first bedroom here in the Ocean Residence. So this is a beautiful room. Just look, the bed right behind me, and then you have a beautiful view of the ocean and the infinity pool. You have direct access from your bed to the pool, and then on this side you'll see there is a phone. If you need anything, you can call your butler and he'll be right here. So you can also transform this into a bed for kids, so it's really convenient. Let me show you guys the bathroom area. So this is the bathroom of the downstairs area. So you have a bathtub which is also a jacuzzi. You can enjoy a nice bubble bath jacuzzi right here. On this side you have one zinc and then a beautiful view with the shower right there. And then on this side you'll find that the other zinc is right here. You can open up, so nice fresh air as well, and then the toilet is on this side. So let me show you guys the last bedroom here at the Ocean Residence. Let's go! So welcome to the main bedroom's balcony. So you'll see you have a separate balcony up here. You have a beautiful view and you won't believe what we just saw. There is an eagle ray right in front of us. The view here is just insane. It's really beautiful. So I love this area. I think it's a nice area to come enjoy your coffee in the morning. Just beautiful. Let me show you inside. So this is the inside area of the main bedroom. You'll find your bed right here. You also have a TV upstairs and then lots of packing space. So this is really cool. So let me show you guys the closet area. So this is the closet area in the main bedroom. It's quite spacious and you have a lot of packing space. You have packing space on this side and then also on this side. And when you come through to the bathroom, you will just see it's so beautiful in here. So this is my favorite bathroom in the villa. So you'll find that you have two sinks on this side. You also get several amenities. They are from Elemis, and then your shower is on this side, and then your toilet on this side, and then of course your bath. You even get a little bath bomb which you can enjoy, which is really nice. Bubble bath. So that is all for the room tour. So let's go down. So thank you for watching our room tour here at Heritance Aarah. It's a beautiful villa and it is anyone's dream to come stay here. So if you want to come stay here, we have our own travel agency and you can book directly with George and Sav. You'll find all the information in the description below. We also just want to mention some extra things about this villa. Firstly, you get your own private butler, which you don't share with any other guests on the villa. You can also book excursions which will be separate just for your villa. So that is really nice that you don't have to share. Like you can do dolphin cruises, you can do sunset fishing, which is really convenient. So thank you for watching our room tour and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye.